you how we upgraded the awnings and the hardware on our RV.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a little before and after shot here. So here is the newer awning that we had put on in February. Whoops, tripped a little bit. When we were down in Yuma, and so you can see the pretty burgundy color. We did have the little sunshade already that we took from the old one and put back on here. But then you can see that the older color here, this, I think it was actually a little bit creamier, and it's kind of gotten dirty and gray now. But anyway, so this is what we have currently. And as you can see from the top silver and also the arms, that they're all silver, so we are having them replaced to the black, which we think looks a lot better. So anyway, Trevor's working on the other side, and I'll show you at the end here what it looks like when he finishes these. So here we are putting on the longer of, this is the longest one that we're having done today. You can see how it slides right on that clip that he's placed. Wow, that black looks so much better. Just blends right in. And he measured it so that it is going to fit right over the brackets that were the original brackets, so that there won't be any holes or anything showing from the original ones. This is the one that he just took off. There's my shadow. Okay, so Trevor's moved to the other side of the RV, so I want to show you what it looks like on this side, all finished. So you can see here that, you know, he was able to cover up the original holes and things from the brackets, which is great. And you can see this pretty new burgundy color, which we love. It really ties in. Our RV's a little bit dirty. Poor Roxanne. But we'll get it all cleaned up. So anyway, all finished, and now he's headed over to the other side. But it sure does make a difference. It just really pops, and I just love the dark brackets. Really makes it look newer, I think. So here we have Jack. He's helping out. he's climbed up on the ladder. All right, he looks scared. Poor guy. But here we are with the gray. So in just a matter of probably 30 minutes, so we'll have the new color.
Makes me want to do mine next.
There you go. Well, these are the guys who do it, man. This guy's
so
great.
Here we have one of them done. Wow, so much better. You can see how the black like really ties in with the windows, and the little edging is flipping up from the wind here, but you can see that it has a pretty scalloped edge, and wow, the burgundy just looks so much better than that kind of old gray tannish color. I'm not sure what color it was originally, but it didn't look very good.
Cadet gray.
Cadet gray is what it was. Trevor knows. And so here we are in the last one. Just the little guy left. So apparently this big one had been replaced before, which we didn't know, and had a few extra holes, but Trevor was able to fill those and get this black strip, as you can see up there. It's perfect, doesn't show any extra holes or any of the adhesive that they had underneath it. So anyway, great job. Okay, so we're almost done. Trevor's doing the finishing touches. And here we go. So here's the big one. Oh, he's doing this last little bit down here, changing out the strap holds. We kept the silver ones on kind of the silver part of our motorhome, but then we had some black ones to kind of tie in better with the charcoal gray areas. So here it is, all done. Wow, what a difference. It really makes the motorhome look a little bit newer, and I think that the colors really pop nicely with the burgundy color. So we are excited.